Thank you for the time. So this is our first video. The whole essence of recording this video is because we're trying to explain what it means to work with your computer file system. So let's go to this computer. This computer shows you the drives. Sorry, I do not have a removable device plugged, something like a flash drive or a mobile phone. But here you will see the independent devices with their independent storage here on the devices and drives section. So here we have local disk C. This local disk C is showing your internal hard drive that is inside this computer system that stores all of the information you're currently looking at from the operating system that is installed. When I say the operating system, I mean the software that comes up when you press your power button and shows welcome and all of that, information, booting in, logging in, and then before we get to this screen, before we get to this desktop and then this screen. So basically, this local disk C is what stores all of that programming information, the system software, which is the Microsoft Windows that is installed, the applications that is installed, Microsoft Word, Inkscape, Outlook, and all of this software. So everything is installed into this local disk C. Now, all of these folders you see on the upside here they are all shortcut icons that is referencing or that is pointing to a location inside this local disk C. For instance, I have documents here. This file called number 12 here, I can also find it inside this local disk C because this local disk C is what I said is housing all documents, right? So if I open this local disk C, I want to find that number 12. What I need to just do is go to the users because these documents here are connected to the user account that I'm currently logged in on this computer. So to know that user account, I think the name of that user account is what? Okay, no, it's not guest. But to find the name of the user account I'm currently logged into, no, this is it. It's called user. This is it, user. This is here, user. So let me go to user. From user, I can see all of these folders. So all the folders that is displayed here, they are mapped to the user account that is currently logged in. And that's, if you want to know, just click this arrow here, it drops, and then you see the name of the user here. So to find the primary, the folder that is containing all these folders, normally all I need to do is go to the user, this particular user folder on drive C, on the local disk C. So let's try that. I go to the local disk C, I go to the users folder, and then I find user, that particular name I'm seeing here. So I go here. So the name can be different for different computers, depending on the name that you are using at the time that you created the user account or the computer was installed. So when I click user, I see all those folders and a little more than that. So you see, I'm seeing all of those same folders: documents, desktop, downloads, links, music, videos. So I go to documents, number 11 or number 12, something like that, right? So number 12, you see? So I'm seeing the same file here. So this gives you an idea of how the computer maps your files and how it structures it in the hard drive of the computer. Now, all of these folders I'm seeing here, I can see them from any software I'm working on. From Microsoft Word, for instance, let's open Microsoft Word. No, that's Word. So if I open Word and I open maybe new document, and I want to find one file inside document, for example, I just go to File, I say Open, I say Browse. So this box comes up. This box comes up again. It's just like that same folder structure I'm looking at on that's my computer window. So if I click this arrow again here, it shows me the structure of my file system the same way I have it.